basic Metal Storm concept, as you know, is the barrel is the weapon. So basically, if I wanted to, this could be a Metal Storm weapon. Push a button and fire it, you know.
Art Schatz is vice president of Metal Storm, the designers of this groundbreaking new gun.
Because the weapon is electronically fired and the rounds are stacked, you've either got a lighter weapon or you've got a weapon that's the same size and weight, but yet it's got a tremendous amount of firepower.
General Downing was the head of the Joint Special Operations Command and now advises on the project. By using an electronic ignition system to fire the bullets, Metal Storm has made the most powerful handgun in the world, and the fastest. Firing 3 rounds in a split second before the gun recoils means the bullets can be delivered with deadly accuracy. The electronic firing system has one further advantage. Unlike conventional guns, this system can never jam. In a firefight, gun jams can be life-threatening, leaving you exposed and helpless in the face of the enemy.
The malfunctions that I've had in training, and I've had malfunctions on a battlefield. In fact, I've almost been killed. The kind of things that happen are a firing pin breaks, a bolt goes off the slide, a recoil spring breaks. With that all-electronic weapon, you're not going to have that, so you're going to have a high degree of reliability.
The worst thing that could happen, if a signal doesn't go off, the following round can push the first one out. So you don't have the typical jamming effect of a feeding.
Because you don't have the moving parts.
There's no moving parts except the projectiles themselves.
By removing the mechanical firing mechanism from the weapon, the designers have not only made Metal Storm reliable, but also the most powerful automatic gun in the world. Metal Storm can fire a devastating hail of bullets in 2 modes. It can unleash a stream of bullets, effectively making an airborne supersonic metal spear that's able to pierce through armor. Its second mode is an unstoppable wall of deadly bullets, fired out of multiple barrels. It's this unprecedented firepower that has created the kind of weapon never seen before on the battlefield. Using 9mm rounds, Metal Storm can fire 16,000 rounds a second through multiple barrels, creating a wall of bullets that can intercept an inbound supersonic missile in a split second.
You could take the same Metal Storm weapon and you could use these things to detonate mines or perhaps even incoming torpedoes. So it has a tremendous all-round capability.
Replacing bullets with high explosives, it can fire 40mm grenades at a mind-blowing rate of 250,000 rounds a minute. A wall of these high explosives will flatten buildings and crush hardened concrete bunkers for maximum impact.
And where we've gone, finally, in our latest firings, we're taking actual off-the-shelf existing warheads and marrying to the Metal Storm launcher piece.
Metal Storm can now deliver these warheads with deadly accuracy. It can obliterate a whole battalion of tanks and armored vehicles within seconds. But this weapon is as sinister as it is deadly. Metal Storm doesn't even need to be manned. It can be left completely unattended, a silent assassin waiting for its prey. Its sensors can detect anything that approaches.